the store, they got a bag. You can't blame me, the shit you doing, it got me bragging. When I touch your hair, when you get it done, you turn it.
I'm looking crazy. Looking crazy, crazy, crazy. My face is crusty. My face is crusty as heck. No, that's perfect. Okay, guys, I'm just waking up. As y'all can see, I'm still kind of dressed from last night. So, last night I didn't get no sleep, basically. A couple hours. And so, I'm getting ready for brunch with the girls out. I still got leftover makeup. Like, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna wear. And guys, my room is a mess. Like, I came to the gym and like destroyed it. Let's figure out what I'm finna wear. But I'm finna figure out what I'm finna wear, and I have to get ready, so.
Okay. You stop it from recording. When you see that number go off, that means you stop it from recording.
Okay, how I zoom in though?
You zoom in right here.
Okay, yeah.
And then you move back. Just get out.
You doing your thing. You doing a little something. Say hi to the camera, 28.
Who go is it? Ah, that's your girl. Yep. Yeah, see all of the they ain't got that many meetings up there though. Yeah, you missed. Yep, it's your go.
Miguel, party of 7 to the front counter. Miguel, party of 7. Rear, party of 2 to the front counter. Rear, party of 3.
She should have would have good. Where you at?
Nah, you know.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know,
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his real silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Fix your drink, weed. Was trying to.
We don't do this ice.
Okay, you guys, so we are leaving the bowling alley. We were supposed to go to brunch this morning, but we didn't because the birthday girl got way too drunk. She did not get up. I was the first one up, so we just went to the bowling alley. It's late, maybe like 1 or 11. She got my cell phone, but okay. But I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I know it wasn't long at all because I didn't record that much. So we walking to the car right now. We walking to the car right now. We leaving the red room. East Atlanta. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because when I get to the house, I'm finna KO crash. I ain't got time to be talking to y'all or nobody else. So I will see you all in my next video. Until then, hey, murder gang.